One of the pillars of the Facebook experience is your friends, finding people who you want to share and interact with online. In this movie, I'm going to be exploring how to find your friends on Facebook and then how to add them as a friend going forward. So in order to find friends, you can use this button right up here at the top right that says Find Friends. And once you click that, you'll be presented with a bunch of information on how to find people that you might know. Now, the first part here is asking you whether or not you want to upload your email contact list to Facebook. Now, I have my reservations about this because I'm pretty protective over the information that I share online. If you would like to upload your contact list using one of these services, be my guest. But down here at the bottom, there's a section called Other Tools. And so if you filled out your timeline correctly with your current workplace, where you went to school, etc., you can actually find friends by your coworkers, classmates from college and high school, as well as friends, classmates, and coworkers all at the same time. So in this case, let's say that I wanted to find some coworker friends from lynda.com. I'll click on Find Coworkers from lynda.com. And when I do that, it's going to automatically search for people who are currently employed by lynda.com. And so I can find people here and add them as friends. After you've found a couple of people that you might want to add as friends and click the Add Friend button, you will see that it says +1 friend request sent next to their name. As of right now, you're not friends with these folks on Facebook yet. They have to actually accept your friend request. That's why it's important to invite people to be friends that you actually know in person, because if they don't know you, chances are they're going to ignore your request. But even after you've sent them a friend request, you are technically what is called subscribed to their updates. Therefore, these people, anything they post publicly to Facebook, you will be able to see. A lot of celebrities are starting to do this. They're opening up their Facebook profile to subscriptions, so they're not necessarily going to accept you as a friend where you could send them messages and interact with them on a one-on-one basis, but you can still see their everyday updates and things that they post publicly to Facebook, so that's kind of cool. Now, in this case, I've only searched for people that are coworkers of mine at lynda.com. I can also search for people from my hometown, from my current city, from my high school, or from my college as well. Based on what options you click here, Facebook will automatically start to add people to this list of potential friends. As you see people that you want to be friends with, simply click Add Friend out to the right and then play the waiting game to see whether or not they accept your friend request. The final way to find a friend on Facebook is to simply come up here to the search bar and try to find that person. So for instance, if I wanted to find somebody that I worked with that I know of, I can simply type in their name. So if I wanted to find Deke McClellan, I could simply type in Deke and Deke pops up. When you click this link, it takes me to Deke's Facebook page and I can then click Add Friend to send a request. Once you've done that, you can simply go back to your profile anytime you want by clicking here, or go back to the Facebook newsfeed by clicking here on the left-hand side. Once you're back inside of the Facebook newsfeed, you'll start to see things pop up here as people start to post different things that have accepted your friend request. If nobody has accepted your friend request and they are not allowing subscriptions on their timeline, chances are you're not going to see anything here. In the event that someone accepts your friend request here on Facebook, you will see a notification at the top like this. Once you see that, you'll notice that someone has accepted your friend request. They'll also invite you to either write on their wall or post on their timeline. You can choose See All to see all of the people who have accepted your friend request, or to close this notification, simply click this icon here.